देखिए, राजधानी दिल्ली का दम क्यों घुटता है, इस बारे में जानने के लिए मिरर नाउ ने एक खास कैंपेन की शुरुआत की है। और आज इस कैंपेन के दूसरे दिन हम इस बात का पता लगाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आखिर हर साल दिल्ली में प्रदूषण क्यों बढ़ जाता है। कल हमने दिल्ली में प्रदूषण से निपटने के लिए सिविक बॉडी द्वारा इस्तेमाल में ला जा रही मशीनों और बाकी के इक्विपमेंट्स के सफेद झूठ का पर्दाफाश किया था, और आज एक बार फिर हम एमसीडी के इसी झूठ का पर्दाफाश करेंगे। देखिए, दिल्ली की सिविक बॉडी की लापरवाही के बारे में यहां पर बात करेंगे कि किस तरह से लैंडफिल साइट्स पर एनवायरमेंटल नॉर्म्स जो हैं उनका उल्लंघन हो रहा है। ये लैंडफिल साइट्स जो है ये किस तरह से दिल्ली में बढ़ते प्रदूषण का कारण बन रही है, इसकी ग्राउंड रिपोर्ट देखिए मेरे सहयोगी आलोक सिंह की।
Dust and smoke, major contributors to Delhi's pollution woes, emanate excessively from three towering landfill sites. While Ghazipur landfill site comes under East MCD, Bhalaswa and Okhla landfills are under North and South MCD respectively. As per the Graded Response Action Plan meant to tackle Delhi's pollution, civic bodies need to take steps to curb dust and smoke at these landfill sites. The MCD claims that rules are being followed, but the truth will leave you shocked.
The management of landfill sites in the national capital is very important. I am showing you the visuals of landfill site. This is Bhalaswa landfill site, and here you can see many of the trucks which are coming. They are not covered with the plastic sheet or any kind of sheet. In fact, this is the instruction of the government that whenever the offloading is happening, then the garbage is covered with the sheets. Not only that, at the landfill site, the sprinklers should be continuously be used at the landfill site during the time of offloading as well. Here you can see at the offloading time, no water sprinkler is being used. In fact, my video journalist is showing you the visuals that the offloading is taking place. Lot of trucks are there. They are going towards the upper side of this hilly kind of the landfill. In fact, the height of this landfill has already reached up to 65 meters. Definitely that creates a lot of problem for the city as well. In fact, in the national capital, there are three different landfill sites. This is one of the biggest landfill site which I am showing it to you. In fact, just a week ago, there was a challan issued by the Delhi government of rupees 20 lakh because this landfill site was not following the NGT orders. And till now, that nothing has been changed, and it's still the violation is being taking place. So definitely this tells the story of the municipal corporation of Delhi that they are not at all serious in managing these landfill sites during the time when the pollution is increasing in the national capital.
Being a violator itself, the MCD is going easy on other violators as well. An internal audit report of the MCD reveals, from the year 2015 to 2018, MCD issued 857 challans. The total amount that had to be recovered was 3.3 crore rupees, but Delhi Civic Body only recovered 43 lakh rupees.
Municipal Corporation of Delhi, which has the responsibility to provide the clean city, is failing to provide the clean and fresh air. In fact, their enforcement is so weak that they are not able to recover the challan amount from the violators. Their internal audit report in fact said that between the year 2015 and 2018, MCD issued 857 challans to the violators that was related to the dust, and that was related to the garbage burning. But they are able to recover only rupees 43 lakh, which was against 3.3 crore. That was the actual amount. So definitely this tells the story that the enforcement also of the civic agency is very weak in the national capital. Then how the pollution will be controlled? With video journalist DS Best, I am Alok for Mirror Now.
तो इस बुलेटिन में मेरे साथ बस इतना ही, लेकिन ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए आप mirrornownews.com पर भी लॉगिन कर सकते हैं। आप हमें ट्विटर, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और टेलीग्राम पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।